friends, welcome to Kirti's Creations. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful net flower hairband. It is very easy to make. Let's start. The material required is a net cloth, a hairband, satin ribbon, needle and thread, some decorative material and the glue gun. I have cut the net cloth in the dimension of 50 cm length and 12 cm width. I have made a fold on the strip of the net cloth. Now I will take a simple stitch with the help of needle and thread on the middle fold line. It's so easy. The simple zigzag line. Like this. It will make a structure of flower petal. See, it's complete. I will tie the knot. See. And tada! I have made so many flowers with the same technique. Now, with the help of a glue gun, I will stick this satin lace on this hairband and I will wrap it around. See. The glue gun must be hot so that it will firmly stick the lace on the belt. The simple wrapping technique. See. In the same way, I will complete it. See, now the wrapping is complete. Now I will take the flower and stick it on the hairband with the help of glue gun. I will apply some glue on the belt and simply stick the flower on the belt. Let it dry. And in the middle of the flower, I will stick this beautiful stone patch with the help of glue gun. And see, the beautiful hairband is ready. With the help of same process, I have made these beautiful net flower hairbands. Aren't they super cute? If you like my creation, please like, share and subscribe and give suggestions in the comment box. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.